Ladies and gentlemen, let's draw a mouth, in particular focusing on the lips. Draw a grid pattern about 8 cm wide, 4 cm tall into 8 squares. Using an HB pencil, draw the mouth according to these guidelines, and as you see, the line of the lower lip actually comes above that horizontal line. Erase the guidelines and start shading the upper lip with lines from bottom to top. Try to divide the lips in subsections that will lend an air of realism to your drawing. Before going into shading the lower lip, don't forget to leave a highlight on it to let the drawing more three-dimensional. With applying the same shading techniques, we have a quite dark area below the mouth. Skip onto a dark pencil and make sure to shade these places. Continue with these dark areas and have them blend properly into your pencil. And here we are finishing the lips. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.